You ask, what can I walk out here and do today? You see this thing say auto parts locator? You got people who got a laptop and they know people like me and they say, TJ, what parts are you looking for? I'm gonna say, oh yeah, I need a hood for a 57 Chevy convertible. I need a passenger door for a 59 Chevy Impala. I need a trunk for a 62 Chevy, or I need a back seat for a 59 convertible. And you're gonna be like, oh, okay, I'll look for it and find it for you. You call me and say, TJ, I found that back seat dude want $2,000. I'm gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna give you the money, order it for me. Well, guess what? You probably found it for 800 bucks. Does that make sense?
Oh, so he charged you.
You're a middleman, yes. You're a middleman. You're a parts dealer. Huh?
Would you be mad to get that?
No, I'm not mad because I don't have time to look for it myself. Does that make sense? I'd rather be here talking to y'all. So I just pick up my phone or look at my phone and be like, I found the hood. Cash out me $1,000. I'm like,
can you cash out me $2?
$3. Depending on how many questions you answer.
All right.
I like people who answer questions, people who ask questions, people who participate.